Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, and that is from unit number 3, 3.5, Unbeatable Supermom Mary Com. Unbeatable means undefeatable, always win. So, Unbeatable Supermom Mary Com. So, lesson is about Mary Com, and there is also an interview of Mary Com. So, before going to start the lesson, we'll go with first warming up. Let us see warming up. First, that is see, discuss and find out the jobs which were done only by men in the past, but nowadays women too have started doing them. So, what you have to write, students? That jobs which performed only by the men in past time, but nowadays it's performing by women also. As you know, the jobs are suppose in every field women are there. So first we can say in teaching field, so as a teacher, as a doctor, a sport person, politics, in politics also women are there. In a drawing, so driving is also there now. In navy, in pilot, in any field we can say women are there. So these are some examples of job which that women can perform very well. Okay. Next warming is number 2. Complete the following wave of India's winning medal in Olympic. Okay. So see, first what is this? So Olympic medal and that sport persons we have to match. Example is given as boxing. So boxing is as a Mary Com who got the Olympic medal in Olympic Games. Next, Abhinav Bindra is given example as a. So Abhinav Bindra deals with shooting. So he also got that Olympic medal in shooting. Next here we can say badminton. So badminton, PV Sindhu is there. So here we can say PV Sindhu is there is for badminton. Then here we can say see as a Karna Malleshwari as a weightlifting. So all these are some Olympic games and the players who secure the medals. Now see the next as a the text is about a famous female boxer Mary Com who has brought laurels to our country by winning many national and international boxing championships. So the text, the lesson is about the famous female boxer Mary Com and who has as a appreciable work. So who created the country be winning many national and international boxing championship. Make a list of a famous men and women boxers across the world. You can take help of internet or your school library. So with the help of your school teacher, your library, internet, you can fill this table. So say as a first Mary Com is given as a name of boxer, then gender and country. So those who are the boxer, men and women, you can mention their names and their gender and their country. So example is given. So see, as a here, Mary Com, so female from India, Amit Kumar, male from India. So these are some examples. Okay. Now this is warming up. Now we will start the lesson. Okay. So see here. Now see. Unbeatable Supermom Mary Com. So first we will see about the Mary Com. Mary Com, see Mary Com. Okay. Now see Chungi Jung. See so Chungi Jung Mary Com was born on 24th November 1982. So her name is that. The Chungijam Mary Com was born on 24th November 1982, better known as a Mary Com, but she is known as a Mary Com, is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Com tribe in Manipur. So she is from which background? So she is from she is coming from Com tribe, that community, Com tribe community in Manipur. She is from Manipur. She is the 5-time world amateur boxing champion. So she was 5-time World Amateur Boxing Championship and the only women boxer to have won a medal in each one of 6 world champions. So, and she is the only one woman boxer, who have won a medal in each of 6 world champion. Okay, then see here, she nicknamed Magnificent Mary. So her nickname is a Magnificent Mary. So she is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer under 20 Summer Olympics, competing in the flyweight of 51 kilograms. So she is the only woman boxer who qualified for the Summer Olympic 2012 and under the category of 51 kg category and winning the bronze medal. So in that 2012 Summer Olympics games, she also won the bronze medal. Okay, so that is only about Mary Kom. Let's start the lesson. So see here, there had to be successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. So what that Indian had the many successful stories when we survive in sport, but now we have such a story, and the story is enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. And as we know, we listen many and more enough about that warrior who conquered the world, who won the world, and we heard about that winner many times. But see, this warrior is none other than Mary Magnet Kom. And here, this is the warrior in the sport field who conquered the world, and that is none other than Mary Magnet Kom. The conqueror means winner, the conqueror. See, conquered only K is used here. That conqueror, that winner, and the comrade means that played comrade. So she is known as the conqueror and the comrade. She is famous as a 5 times world boxing champion. So for what she is famous? So her famous was world boxing championship, but for 5 times, not a single time. For 5 times she became a world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. So she is the only one boxer who won every time one of these 6 championships. So see, to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships in the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. So she is the only boxer who qualify and win the bronze medal in the year 2012 Olympics in the category of 55 kilogram flyweight category of boxing. Okay, next paragraph. See, Kom was born is a Kangeti village, Moirang Lamkhoi in Churachandpur. So where she born? So Kom was born in Kongthi village, Moirang Lamkhoi in Churnachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. So she born in eastern India in rural Manipur. She is from village. Okay. She came from a poor family and is from poor family. Okay. Her parents Magnet Tonpa Kom, so Magnet Tonpa Kom and Magnet Akham Kom were tenant farmers who work in Zoom fields. So her family was very poor. So her parents, they work on a field. So how? As a tenant means on rent. Means I suppose some people, they take that farm or you can say as a tent and they work there. But which kind of farming they were doing? Who work in a Zoom fields. So, Zoom cultivation to shift cultivation, shift farming means from one place to another place to such a kind of they were working in a Zoom field. Who? Mary Com's parents. Combe grew up in humble surroundings. So how? So she came from the very humble and very poor and very humble surrounding, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. So from the childhood, she was helping to her parents in their work, and with them simultaneously she was going to school and also learning athletics in the initially also and later boxing simultaneously. So her father was a keen wrestler and his young son. So when uh, her father also very interested wrestler when his youngster, when his father was a very young, so that time her father also took interest in wrestling. Whose father? Here, Mary Com's father. Next paragraph. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. So what she says here, so she had very eager, she is very more interested in athletics since her childhood, and success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok. So Asian Games with a gold medal. So that fellow, that Dinko Singh, he impact. So his impact on that other place and also on Mary Com. So he's from also Manipur. In 1998, he came from Bangkok Asian Games with gold medal. So they affect him. Com recollects had inspired many youngsters in Manipur. So what is this? So remember, she also inspired from him youngster in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try, and she also thought at that time she also give it a try in boxing field. Next paragraph. Mary Com's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. So, from where her career was started. So, her career was started in the year 2000 after her victory, after her winning in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the regional championship in West Bengal. So that time she won such a championships in Bengal and also in Manipur state. In 2001, she started competing at international. So she started at a international level. She started at a international level, okay. And she was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States. So what students here debut the first public appearance or the performance. So when she was only 18 years old, so that time she made her international debut, means international performance in public at for AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States. Okay. So winning a silver medal in the 48 kilogram weight category. So in which category? So under the 48 kilogram weight. So her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. So she reinforced, she strengthened. So her greatness is very strengthened by the way how she apologized. She says sorry for what? Because she could not get gold medal. She regret for that though. She got silver medal, but see the way, okay, the way to say, because she's regretting, she's apologized for what purpose? Because of not being able to win the gold, and she is a legend. She is the legend who created the history. So she is the legend for sure, and an idol for all the sport women to look up to, and all she is the idol of the those who love the boxing, those who loves the sports. So she's an idol for all the sport women and to look up to. So see, they have to got inspired from Mary Com. Okay, now students, now we stop here. Now next lesson will continue in next period, that is an interview. Okay, I hope you understood it. So we stop here.